Welcome. In front of me is the OPPO Find X8 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So, to get started you'll need to grab a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it you could use a paperclip, string on one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now, I do have this little orange one, so that's what I'm going to be using. So, find the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone, right here where the pin is holding, and then you can just push it in, and you can see that the tray will pop out enough for you to be able to pull it out. On the tray you'll have space for two SIM cards, so you can place one on each side, or you can just occupy one of these trays if you don't want to use dual SIM, and if you're planning to use one, it doesn't really matter which one. When you're gonna plop the card on the tray, make sure that it is clipped in place. You can squeeze it firmly just so it clips in. It shouldn't be protruding from the tray, and if you flip it over it should not be falling out. Then pop it back into your device, and as you can see that automatically starts working almost immediately, and it's prompting me to put in my SIM card pin, so I'm gonna do that, unlock it, and that's it. The card is unlocked and ready to be used. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.